Hi ladies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Victoria. Welcome. Today's video is done in collaboration with Luvme Hair, one of our favorite hair companies here on this channel. Today's featured wig that we will be unboxing and trying on is this beautiful, fun, voluminous, curly, blonde goodness. She is amazing. She is beginner friendly. She is 100% glueless, and she comes pre-everything. If you're interested in learning more about this wig, then keep on watching. Alright, so here is the wig. I will be unboxing it on camera today, just so you guys know that I have not done any manipulation to the wig at all. No prep. So this is a truly glueless, ready to go install. Here is what the packaging looks like. And here is the wig. So here is the wig. And here is everything that comes in the box. A mesh storage bag to store your wigs in. A custom hair clip, some label cards to label your box in case you decide to store it in the box. This one came with this really cute branded beauty blender. This is a satin bonnet, some brown HD wig caps, and a cute little thank you note from the brand. So here is the wig straight out of the package. What do we think of this color so far? Alright, so this wig does have a glueless cap construction. We have two combs right here in the front. There is one comb in the back. There are adjustable straps. And there is an adjustable elastic band. And this one does come attached, so you do not have to worry about it sliding off. This wig comes with a C-part closure. So as you can see, the lace is only in the parting, and it is parted on the left-hand side. You do get premium HD lace all throughout the parting. And it comes in this really nice sort of wet and wavy texture. It has ombre dark brown roots and a platinum ash blonde through to the ends. This is a 100% human hair wig. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the straps and tighten the elastic band. Now this is premium HD lace, but I am going to go ahead and tint the lace using my Ebon lace tint spray in the shade medium deep brown, and then I'm going to go on top of that with some of my Nika K contour powder from this bronzer duo kit. Right, so this is 100% glueless. I did not use anything to lay down or melt the lace. And I love Luvme Hair's HD lace. I could barely tell where to put the makeup at on this lace. It's so good. Now, I am going to be honest, this texture is kind of throwing me off. I do think it will look great picked out, but before I start playing with it, let me show you how it looks, again, straight out of the box with no manipulation. This is the back. I definitely love the length. I think the length on this unit is perfect. It's definitely beginner friendly. It's not too much to manage or too much to handle. But now that I have shown you what the length looks like, I am going to try and add as much volume to this wig as I can. I'm going to tease the roots a little bit using this Tresemme holding spray. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Sometimes you just need to add a bit of volume. So I am going to show you what it looks like in the natural lighting. Right now I'm in my sort of filming setup and I have my ring lights and it's pretty bright in here. So the lighting, it may look a little different right now than it does outside. So I'll show you what that looks like. But this wig is definitely like a different personality, and what I love about trying on different wigs is that they kind of bring out different sides of you, and I feel like this wig is very spicy. Like this wig gives you a very spicy personality, very feisty, very bold, very center of attention. That is what this wig gives. I love how soft the hair is, even though it is a 613 ash blonde. Like this is like a platinum blonde and the hair is still soft, doesn't feel damaged or overly dry, and I cannot express enough how much I love the length. This is the perfect like beginner friendly length, very low maintenance, very carefree, very easygoing. So if you're new to wigs, I would highly recommend getting a bob, and I think this is a great bob. The color may not be your style, like it's definitely bold, definitely out there, but as far as the length and the style, it is very beginner friendly. And there's a minimal lace, so you don't have much to work with, and it comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. They do all of the work for you. All you have to do, as you saw in this video, is put some makeup on the lace so that it blends in perfectly with your skin. Adjust the straps however you need to, throw it on and go. And that is the true definition of a wear and go wig. So that is it for this video. I know this wig is not very like common and it's not a wig that's meant for everyone, but I do like to try different styles and different colors because although this may not be a wig for everyone, it could very well be somebody's cup of tea. I personally like it. I would purchase it again. And if you are interested in purchasing this wig specifically, the direct link and all of the information will be down in the description box below. And if you decide to make any purchases with Luvme Hair, they have some amazing beginner friendly and glueless wigs on their website. You can use our special coupon code. I'll put it right here on the screen to save yourself 28% off of this and all future orders. Again, that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you found it helpful, give it a share, and don't forget to subscribe to the Soulful Shenanigans channel. I will see you all in the next video.